Rob D. Filippi from Bentley Truck Services over here in Luzerne. I am standing in front of a 2025 FTR. And while I've already done a walk-around video of this truck, I want to show you something new for the 2025 model year. No longer is there an owner's manual in these trucks when they come in from the factory. We now feature this barcode. Today I'm going to show you how this barcode works. You scan it, you open it up, it'll bring up all the truck information specific to this VIN number. It'll give you, you can download a PDF of the owner's manual. It'll give you the roadside assistance number if you need it. Roadside assistance will tow the truck to the nearest Isuzu dealer if there's a warrantable failure. It'll show if you have any open campaigns on the truck. You can download an F-Series brochure. It'll show you what the base warranty is on the truck. If you have an extended warranty on your truck, you'll be able to see that too. If you have a priority service maintenance program, you'll be able to see where you stand with the maintenance program. If the truck is a used truck and there's a gold star applied to it, you'll be able to check that out to see if the truck is still covered under the gold star warranty. Some trucks come with oil coverage, free oil coverage for a certain amount of time and miles. It'll show that too. It'll also give you a dealer directory if you're out of town and you need service. And then it'll give you option codes. This is cool. I watched this video. This is a video that Isuzu did to show you the driver's orientation of the video, meaning it'll show you how to do a pre-trip, and it'll also show you how to use the DPF system and the DEF system. It'll give you a detailed explanation about the emission system in the truck. Okay, hopefully that'll be helpful to you. Rob D. Filippi.